Just wanna shake, 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 shake. Shake it up, shake it up.
Going. Life keeps on going while I'm frozen in snow. Yeah, I know that she don't want me no more.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy J Froz here, back with another video today, or whatever I'm calling this channel, as this is a new channel and I'm trying to think of the name. But yeah, basically, tomorrow I'm heading off to a little car meet. I might record there, I may not, but yeah, it depends where if they allow me or not, as it's on private property. But I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour, and I might also, you know, vlog a little bit about the car meet. Hopefully, show you some videos of the cars at the car meet. It's an engines off meet, so that's why I'm a bit skeptical. Don't really want people to show off to the camera or anything, but I'll try my best. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my car right now. But before I start this video, please make sure you slap that subscribe button for a year's worth of good luck. You're enjoying the hot tub? You're enjoying the hot tub?
Sorry?
You're enjoying the hot tub?
Yeah, definitely, Jack.
Alright.
Hang on, look.
Are you videoing it?
What can't you be? Bear in the hot tub.
Okay. So here she is. This is my 2013 Vauxhall Corsa limited edition. You know, very rare indeed. There's like 3 of these made. I'm just kidding, there's like 3 million of these, but this is my little car.
My chains
Hey
jiggling
yo,
and
fuck
shit.
these niggas. Turn that shit up, white.
KG, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah, okay, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, I'm really in the booth right now. Show me off, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, okay. When I think back to them better days, jokers never fade away. 38 up on my fade away. If I don't like it, then I fade away. Like, ooh, what was you saying? Hop on the track and I go Super Saiyan. You think you better, man? Tell me you playing. Boy, on the feature, I tell you you paying. Nigga, P, what's in my hand? Yeah, you see that be a joker.
Yeah, I've got some mods doing it, and I am thinking about doing some stuff to this car. I'm actually ordered something that's on the way. I'll make a video on that. I want to leave that as a surprise for now. But yeah, things I've done so far is I've got this sun strip. I know it's really badly fitted. It's got like, yeah, these really annoying creases, and this says Speed Hunters in Japanese, and yes, this is JDM inspired. As if you know me, I really love my JDM cars, but I can't afford one as this is my first car. Yeah, everyone probably thinks I'm weird filming my car, but yeah, I don't think anyone's out here. But yeah, there's a dechrome. I've got a dechrome down here, but I need to fix this because this will come off. And it's not as bad as down there, but it's bad down here, especially like right down here. That's especially bad down there because, you know, I tried to wash it with my pressure washer and it basically just came off in that. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I've also, if you come in here, you also, yeah, also the lights turn on. That's a secret preferences. Well, I might make another video on how to do that. And there is bird shit on my car. Okay, I've got to clean that up. But yeah, this car could do with a clean up, as I can show. But yeah, I've got this steering wheel cover, which you know, which could do with a bit of a replacement. Because yeah, I mean the stuff is all unthreading and it's not tucked in very well. And yes, this is a manual. But yeah, basically got all my McDonald's back here. Yeah, McDonald's in my car. I mean, this is a Mackie D's, you know, the Mackie D's 69 Mobile. Okay, that was probably fucking cringy, but yeah, let me just clear this all out. Skip, rub that. Alright, well, now I've got that out of the way. Yeah, I mean, this could do a bit of a wipe down here. There's a few dead flies on there when I was coming away from my first car meet. But yeah, this is going to be my second car meet. And yeah, I might cure the clip right here. I just want to add that if you do not know much about this car, basically the limited edition, basically it comes with a different, you know, sort of body kit, kind of with a black rims, black mirrors. I think it's slightly lowered. I think that passes the foot test. I don't know. I'm not sure if it comes with different exhaust, but that is stock that's down there. That is completely stock. It comes with darkened taillights, tinted thing. Yeah, I have a thing saying new driver on there. The windows are kind of tinted, and it's got a glass roof thing. But yeah, yeah. If you don't know why you've also got this little badge down there, you know, just to flex on everyone. I'm just joking. The reason why I'm talking quite quietly is because you know, I don't want to disturb anyone, you know, look like a weirdo or anything. I'm kind of new to this. I know people might say, you know, stuff like, oh yeah, you're vlogging, stuff like that, but I don't know. I don't know, but yeah. Alright, cue the video. See ya. Alright, so now I'm about to get on my way. I'm just letting the engine heat up and everything, so you know everything is fine. And yeah, I mean, it's a long trip, a bit nervous, but you know, I'm meeting a new group of people, and this is my second ever car meet ever. Oh my god, alright. And it's a long trip on the dual carriageway, so I don't know what to expect. I've never been on a long journey on a dual carriageway. I think the longest I've ever been on a dual carriageway is like 30 minutes, but I can always stop off if I feel uncomfortable. But yeah, I'll see you at the meet or whatever. Oh, and I forgot my camera. I'll just go and get that real quick. We're here, everyone. We're at the car meet. There's some nice cars already. Oh my god. Some nice skylines. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, I gotta go and check this stuff out. Might get on my camera, you know, show some videos and stuff like that of the cars, and yeah. A nice little GTR RFA3. It's a nice white colour, and I love the black to the other one. I think it really suits it well. See a sticker on there. Nice wing on the back. Alright. It's classic Mustang. Got some nice side XE exhausts.
But I was just on a plane, nigga, flying gear, charge it out for that. The next store was swag, but I don't want it back. My nigga, I was on this, but now I'm on that. You see it in my closet before it's on the rack. I was out the window light, now I'm on back.
Gotta love the GTRs. Smells nice. Ooh, nice turbo. Just spoke to that person. Got this truck, Mitsubishi. I don't know what one it is. Please tell me in the comments if you know which one this is. It's got a big ass truck bed, so you know, it's quite nice. Very long truck bed. It's a Mitsubishi. It doesn't say. I think it must have been debadged or something, but well, I mean, it's got a thing. Oh my god, can this focus? There we go. Decent truck. Looks like you can, you know, this looks like a good daily, you know what I mean? Cool looking daily, actually. Got a Golf R32. I don't know why they call it the R32, I mean, there's already the Skyline 32. Oh my god, I love this song. Underground vibes. Jesus Christ, that made me jump. Not sure if you heard that. Cool. Another competition.
This one flutters, that one. Yeah, dump valve as well.
Are you getting a replacement dump valve?
I'm going to get a stage 1 ring map and then I'll get a small valve valve. Or a dump valve. That looks better.
I'd say the middle one sounds better.
Yeah.
Yes! He's my new best friend.
Yeah, we all spark chosen.
This one's got less of a gap though.
And
Between
my
the-
one still flutters, even though when the hood's shut.
Yeah, this one's.
Just wanna shake, 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 shake. Shake it up, shake it up. Okay, somehow this has turned into a dance party.
Yes, please, fine. I'm happy that my legs are work now.
Oh, yeah, they keep on burning, rolling, rolling.
It's so fluffy.
Where are we going?
Alright, so a little bit of a story time before I end this video. Basically, at the end of the meet, which was really good by the way, I met some nice people. We did a little photo shoot. I might put a few pictures up on here right now. But yeah, basically I had a really awkward story. Basically, when I was coming back from that car meet, I stopped at the petrol station and I did not park close enough to the thing, so I moved to the next one along. Then I got out of the car. I didn't know which fuel to use for this specific car. I don't know, I'm just new to this all, to be honest. I'm just a new driver. I do not know much about it, so, you know. But basically, I took out my phone. I'm just learning. I took out my phone and started to phone up my stepdad saying which fuel I should use. And then I heard, number five, take that metal phone away or something. I was like, okay. And I just put it down. I was like, I did not know that you were not allowed to use mobile phones down there. And then they literally had a thing promoting Apple Pay, which is literally a thing that you use for your phone to pay. And I was like, alright, well, I just found that a little bit odd, just saying. I mean, I suppose you're supposed to sit in your car and do it, but still, I mean, they're trying to promote you using your phone. I don't know, but I never knew that was a thing, to be honest. I thought they just only cared if you had like a naked light or something of that nature. But I thought they wouldn't really care. I mean, I've seen people, I mean, aren't cars metal? I'm just saying, aren't cars metal? I've seen people take pictures of their cars in the petrol station. I'm just found that just really weird. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just dumb and uneducated, but yeah, I mean, I'm a new driver, so I don't know. I'm just learning from my experience, but at least I learned that now. Do not take your phone in a petrol station. So I learned that lesson. But yeah, the meet was really good. Had some fun time. There was a lot of nice cars, a lot of nice people that I met. They actually admired my car, which was actually pretty cool. I never thought I'd have someone admire my car, to be honest, as it's just a Corsa. But I mean, I have a few people admire it on Instagram, stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, yeah, my name's, I think I'm going to end this off in this new note. But yeah, please subscribe for it and like for years of luck, good luck. And yeah, my name's Jay Froz, I'm out. Peace.